Hey everybody, this is your coach, Heather O'Connor, and I just want to talk to you for a little bit about when you become a coach. There's 3 things that you're probably going to feel, and I want to tell you right now, it's okay. So the first thing is it's okay to not be perfect. You know, I think a lot of people start coaching, and it's because of the word coach. It does something to somebody. And people think, oh, I'm a coach now. Like, I have to be super involved with my fitness. I have to know everything there is about Beachbody. I have to be perfect. You don't. You know, you didn't change just because all of a sudden you got the welcome email from Carl Daikeler saying you're a coach. You're still you. You know, and it's okay to not be perfect. Not everybody is going to have that perfect conversation. And I got news for you. There is no one phrase that will make somebody decide to change their life. There is not one single thing that you can say to every single person that's going to make them commit to their fitness goals. It's about building relationships. And the best thing you can do is just experiment with it. Look at this as you're going to build friendships. You're going to get to know people. You're going to get to help people. The more you do it, the better you're going to get. And even more news, you're never going to be perfect. You know, everything changes, and this is about learning. It's about being okay with not being perfect, because you're going to constantly be pushing yourself to be better. You know, if suddenly you're perfect, you have nowhere else to go. So look at it as this is your journey. You know, another thing, it's okay to feel overwhelmed. Most people, when they start, do. You know, I did. I felt very overwhelmed when I started. There was so much information. I didn't know P90X from insanity to Brazil butt lift. I mean, I knew they were different, but I didn't know how. And that's okay, because we're going to teach you. So just take things one step at a time. So if you're feeling overwhelmed, if you're feeling really confused, just sit back and say, okay, I will get this. I have faith in my team. I have faith in my coaches, and we're going to get there together. Another thing that it's okay to feel is discouraged. Everybody is going to feel discouraged at some point, and that has to do with whether you're fighting for your fitness goals or whether you're fighting for your business. Discouragement happens. It's a part of everyday life. Nobody wakes up every single day happy. You know, things go wrong. Life happens. You're going to feel discouraged, but we are a team here. So it's okay to feel it. What is not okay is if you don't do anything to change it. So if you're feeling discouraged, because I think when you start as a coach, you're excited. You know, you're like, I found this great thing where I can get fit, I can make money, I can help people, I can change the world. You know, you're ready. And you think that every single person that you tell about it is going to be just as excited as you. I wish that was the case, but it's not. You're going to probably hear a lot of no's. You're probably going to have a lot of people ignore you. And I'm not saying this to discourage you. I'm just saying this because it's how it is, you know, and you have to be willing to deal with that. So if you're getting no's, if people aren't replying to you, it's okay. You know, if you're finding that it's happening more often than not, contact me. Contact your upline. Whoever your coach is, contact them, contact me, contact someone on our team and say, look, I don't know if I'm doing it right, so can you help me? I work with people on how to talk to other people all the time, because the number one problem people have when they start is they just blab everything out, and that's probably the worst thing you can do. So if you're giving a lot more information than somebody is giving you that you're talking to, you can probably hold back and let's talk. But if you're feeling discouraged because it's not going exactly how you thought it would be, talk to me. You know, I'll help you through it. Just don't give up. Don't give up on yourself, and don't take that discouragement and let it just pull you back. You know, we can change that. We can deal with discouragement, and we can keep on going, because that's how you're going to find success. So I hope you found something useful through there, and I look forward to talking to you in my next video. Bye.